Next, we are going to be making our very own DIY lava lamp. And again, you only need a few supplies. You will need some vegetable oil, some Alka-Seltzer tablets, some food coloring, and a clear glass jar. The first step, you want to fill the glass jar with some water about a third of the way. Next, you are going to add a few drops of your food coloring. Today I'm choosing to drop in blue. And then you want to give it a gentle stir. Mix everything up. Beautiful. Then we are going to gently add some vegetable oil. And you want to add it so that it goes almost to the top. There we go. And the last step is the adding of the Alka-Seltzer tablet. What is going to happen when we add the tablet to this mixture? Let's add it and see what happens. Here we go. Lots of fizzing, some bubbles. Wow, look at that. A fun experiment to do. Lots of fun. I have the materials needed here, followed by the steps, and you can make your own lava lamp too. Thank you so much for watching, and please check out our online e-resources to learn more. Thank you.